Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice fish which is called the jaya. Its English name, scientific name is Espidoparia jaya. It's in Hamilton group. Let's start the drawing. So first we're going to draw the outlines. You can see I'm going to darken the outer surface. Okay, so actually it has its own particular body shape and the characteristics. Okay, going up to the tail, then I'm going to come back again, and in the bottom layers I'm going to draw the extensions. Okay, so again from the head I'm going to draw a line in the bottom. Okay, you can see the harder scales here, then again the abdominal area extensions, and again the harder shells, and it goes on to the tail and meet up the points here. Okay, two more fin here. You can see this is the abdominal fin in the bottom and a harder dorsal fin on the top. So there's the usual outline and the body characteristics. You can see here the eye in the front face, and going to draw a circle around it. All right, and a smaller mouth. You can see the extensions and the breathing parts here on the side. Another one here. There's the bigger one on the outside. You can see the another one. Okay, now let's put the darker shades on the top to the dorsal parts. Okay, and around these breathing parts. Okay, on the top it just goes on to the tail. It has outline along the tail here, and you can see the scales. It just goes on for the whole body, making it a straight line to the end, starting from the head. Then another outline you can see here, and others are just the graphical presentations. All right, we need to put some colors for the dorsal fins here in the bottom, and in the top little bit dark brown. Okay, and also for the tail. All right, and on the dorsal part it's going to be a little bit reddish color, so a little bit darker color. Now we can use the 6B pencils to make a shades of the gradient. All right, so a little bit darker on the dorsal part, you can see. All right, and you can use your fingers for uniform shades all over the place. Sometimes you can use the blending stump, otherwise you can use the fingers and have a nice uniform shades for the whole body. So there's the fish of jaya. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video, and you can also browse through the playlist to have lots of options in different categories. We have so many drawings. You can browse and you can learn in your own choices. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.